Camilla and I are going on our first ever job event. I have absolutely no clue what's going on.
If we never see tomorrow.
I just found my ticket for the event. It's just 2 in the morning. I bought a burger from Burger King. It's literally the size of my head. Kind of just went with the vegetarian burger. I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of dry. And then some sauce. Cheers, guys. Oh, it's soggy.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hey you all, I don't know why I keep turning into like a Kentucky American every time I get excited, but this is insane! It's my ever first business event. What do you even call this? I don't even know. I'm just trying my best right now. I have no clue what's going on, but it looks freaking amazing. So this, I'm only one person. This is a king size bed. And the TV, like come on, who needs that big of a TV? And I'm gonna stay here for 3 whole days and I don't even wanna leave the room, but I guess there's only one thing left to do before I actually have to leave and do the grown-up things that you do on a business trip.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
So freaking big. This one. Such a coffee flavor to it. Oh. There's nothing going on today. Tomorrow there's gonna be something, but
tomorrow's just gonna be something.
we can look at
My hotel room.
yeah, because she claims it's better than mine.
It is. It has a sick balcony. It has a better view. It's on the 6th floor. This one sucks compared.
Does have the balcony and a bathtub.
Yeah, yeah. I don't have a bathtub either. Let's see. Here is my lovely balcony.
Dude, it's huge!
I know. Look at this view. I mean, come on.
Okay.
This is so nice. I love it. Well, welcome to my bathroom. Well, it wasn't that much bigger. I don't think it's bigger. I got some slippers.
And we will definitely not steal those and take them with us.
No. What's the fuck?
That would be so rude of us. And a rainfall shower.
Oh my god, it's gonna rain tonight.
You win.
It just has a better layout.
I have a bigger couch. I win that one.
Like you will be using the couch anyway. What the fuck?
Oh, you are so clever. What is this?
Badem
Badem?
ezmesi.
Ezmesi.
Badem ezmesi.
Have you ever had a dream
Badem.
Badem.
Almond.
Almond.
you would
It's nice. Said good.
Sehr gut. Ja.
It's day number 2 and so far we missed breakfast, both Camilla and I. We did not go to the swimming pool, but we did go to the gym though. And now we're kind of running late for the one event that we have to go to. That's because of our Uber driver.
Prima, yeah, upright.
We got some
Where are your feet?
pillows. Bruh.
Lightning. Okay, try.
Is it nice? Good morning, and I put my alarm on 4 times just to make sure that I will not skip breakfast. Breakfast! It looks so good.
It looks so good, yeah.
Is it fixed now?
Push. Push. Inside.
Okay, I got it now. Thank you so much for helping me.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye. Yesterday I accidentally locked myself in the shower because I pushed the door the wrong way, and then I was just skinny enough to just sneak out of the shower. Then the cleaning lady came by today and she was like, what's wrong with your door? And I was like, and then the dude was there and then he told me you have to push it the right way, and I was like, oh, thanks. I was on an event last night, and the best things about going to events is getting goodie bags. Not only 1, but 2, and obviously they gave out masks. Then I got this. I don't even know if I can fit it into my suitcase, but that's a problem for tomorrow. Well, you know what, they just gave us stuff and I didn't have the heart to say no. And a new mask, just random stickers. This Oh my god, this is actually so smart because I need to wash my computer. Thanks you, Edwin, for reminding me of that one. This, I feel like every time you get a goodie bag, you always get a keychain. Again, it's been a pandemic. What do you need? You need some spray for your hands. This smells like bad tequila. It's actually really nice. Smells like a new car. It's currently 6 a.m. in the morning and I'm doing my packing as in old sunny fashion style. So we're leaving in an hour. I just need to pack my stuff and then I'm good to go pretty much. But it's a long way to good to go.
Yeah, back to Spain.